So it's easy to say to yourself, let's wait for it to hail before we have anyone get up on our roof and see what's going on up there. But unfortunately, waiting for bad weather is not a great maintenance plan for your home. I know it's really tempting as a homeowner. I know it's very tempting to wait for something like a big storm to have someone come up and take a look at my roof. However, unfortunately, because of time and elements, critters crawling around on your roof, at least once or twice a year, do yourself a huge favor, have a roofing company come up, give you a free digital roof analysis, make sure they're showing you pictures, see what's going on. If you're going to have a leak 80 to 90% of the time, that's not a shingle problem itself that's laying on your roof. It's typically flashings, valleys, penetrations that are coming into your roof from pipes that are piping out of your roof. That's really where 90% of issues come from, and you don't need to have your entire roof replaced in order to be able to maintain it. So do yourself a favor, use a roofing company that you trust. Our roofing company is happy to come do this for free. Honest, Integrity Pro Roofing will give you a clear report and let you know if you need work done. And hey, if you don't, you get bonus points for adulting really well.